वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यम् च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यम् च
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः।
ऐवन्
ऐवन् ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐ औच्
अयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
न्यामाङ्गाणम्
यामननम्
जभै
छबै
घटदर्श
घटदश
जबगडदर्श
जबगडदश
कपचठथ चटतौ
खप छठथ चटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
अपुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लिटुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
न्यामङ्गनानां नासिका च
न्यामनननां नासिका च
एतैतोः कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
दौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
हारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
अकारस्य दग्ध ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
Just type your name in the chat box. You can read one Subhashitam, you can repeat. Murkasya panchachinnani
पञ्चचिन्तानि
गर्भो दुर्वचनं तथा क्रोधश्च दृढवादश्च
पादश्च
परवाक्येष्वनादरः
परवाक्येष्वनादरः
Where is the Kriyapadam? You have to supply. Kriyapadam not there. Okay, first let us do the Sandhi Vicheda. Murkasya. Murkasya Ekapadam Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachana. Murka is the Pratipadikam. Murkasya. Murkasya 6-1. Panchachinnani. What Vibhakti is Panchachinnani? Chinna is symbol, signs. What Vibhakti Panchachinnani? It must be either
1-3 or 2-3.
1-3 or 2-3. That's
2-3, yeah.
Chinna. It is Napumsakalinga. Panchachinnani. So here it is 1-3 because the qualities of the Murka that has been, it is talked about, it is listed here. So Panchachinnani must be 1-3. Panchachinnani santi. Santi we can supply Kriyapadam. Murkasya Panchachinnani santi. Kani. Then is listing out. What are they? Garvo Durvachanam. Garvo. Sandhi is
Garvaha
Garvaha. Garvaha Durvachanam.
Durvachanam.
What Sandhi?
Visarga followed by hash.
Preceded by
Visarga preceded by
Followed by hash.
So Visargasya sthani ukara desha and then guna happens.
Guna
Garvo.
happens.
Garvaha means pride. So Garva, what Vibhakti? 1-1. Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Durvachanam and Tatha. What Sandhi? Padantamakara.
Anuswara
Anuswara
sandhi.
Sandhi. Padantamakara becomes Anuswara. But Padantamakara replaced by Anuswara. Because Sandhi is followed by
Hal.
Sandhi. So Durvachanam is, that is also 1-1. Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam. Tatha Avyaya. So first Chinna is Garvaha. Second Chinna is Durvachanam. Garvaha meaning pride. Durvachanam is, Vachana is words. So you always use Durvachanam, Dushtavachanam, bad words. Doesn't handle words properly. Krodascha, Dridavadascha. What's in the
First Visarga followed by Kar, then Shutva sandhi.
Shutva Sandhi? Krodaha, then
plus cha.
Dridavadascha. Krodaha, Visarga is the,
Sakara.
so Visarga is Krodascha. Krodaha plus cha.
Cha.
Krodaha plus cha, then Dridavadaha plus cha, the same. So Krodaha plus cha, Visarga followed by cha, that is Kar letter. So Krodas, Sakara, followed by Kar, Sakara, and Sakara again changes to
Shakara. Shutva sandhi.
Shutva happens. So Krodas cha. So Krodaha 1-1. Cha Avyaya. Similarly, Dridavadaha plus cha दृढवादश्च. दृढवादः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं. Ch is अव्यय. परवाक्येष्वनादरः. What is that? परवाक्येषु अनादरः. परवाक्येषु अनादरः. क्रोधः दृढवादः परवाक्येषु अनादरः. अनादरः, adara means respect. Respect, honoring, treating properly. Paravakyeshu. Para is other. Vakya is the words, the sentences. So disrespecting the others' views or sentences, their speech, their idea, their opinion. Paravakyeshu plus anadaraha. Paravakyeshvanadaraha. What's Sandhi? So मूर्खस्य पंचचिह्नानि सन्ति तानि गर्वः दुर्वचनं क्रोधः दृढवादः परवाक्येषु अनादरः च. This is the अन्वय of this shloka, simple shloka. Okay. Then in the last class we saw two sandhis. Remember the sandhi? The sandhi what we saw?
Exception to
Yes,
visarga.
sir. Yeah.
That is
Visarga.
shar pare khar, khar pare shar.
Sure. Yeah.
Shar pare khar. Visarga followed by khar letter, which is followed by shar letter. What will happen to visarga?
Visarga is replaced by visarga.
Visarga is replaced by.
Visarga.
That is, you can see that is the rule inserted. 10. Sharparekar. You can understand this naming. Sharparekar. Sharparekar means kar follows visarga and kar is followed by shar. Sharpare. Pare means after, following. Shar follows kar. That is the meaning of Sharparekar. That which follows kar. That is, kar comes first and then shar. That which follows kar is written first. Sharparekar. So don't get confused with the Sharpare means shar is the first letter and then followed by kar. No, that's not the meaning. Sharparekar means shar follows kar. It means kar follows visarga. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
visarga followed by kar, which in turn followed by shar. Then the rule is visarga is replaced by visarga. Sthani is visarga. Adesha is also visarga. Visarga is a, but still you replace visarga by visarga. That's a rule. And this one example you can remember. Whenever you see ksha follows visarga, you have to pronounce. You cannot convert the visarga, change the visarga into jikva muliya or sakara, if it is possible. It's not possible, anyway I'm saying. So you cannot do it. Visarga must be pronounced. So Sukhinaha kshatriyaha. Okay, and this is one. Sukhinaha kshatriyaha iti. This is Sharpare Kar Vidi. The next one we saw Kar Pare Shar.
Sure. Yeah.
The next one is Kar Pare Shar. Kar Pare Shar means shar follows visarga. And visarga is followed by kar letter. When a shar letter follows, we know shar being a subset of kar. Shar being a subset of kar, it is replaced by sakara. If the shar follows, replacement of sakara is optional. And now this vidhi says dropping of visarga is also optional. Therefore, you will have three forms. Kar pare shar vidhi, rule number 11. When visarga is followed by shar, which in turn followed by kar, then visarga is dropped optionally. Example, vrikshaha plus tavaraha. Visarga is followed by shar letter, which is followed by kar letter, and the shar letter happens to be sakara. Therefore, vrikshas tavaraha, that is one form. Visarga is replaced by sakara. That is by the rule number 10.
10.
Rule number 10 also says Visarga can be replaced optionally. Therefore, 2 forms we have in 10. By rule number 11, we have got one more form. That is Vriksha Stavaraha. Visarga is dropped. Okay. So, we have three forms. By rule number 10, one form, Vriksha Stavaraha or Vrikshaha Tavaraha, 2 forms by rule number 10, and 1 form by rule number 11. Visarga is dropped optionally.
ஜி இங்க இந்த ஸ்கர் லெட்டர் முன்னாடில இருக்கு, ப்ரீவியஸா இருக்குல, ஃபாலோட் பைன்றது கரெக்ட்டாங்க? ஷர் வெச்சு
ஷர் ஃபாலோட் பை கர். எஸ்.
விருக்ஷஹ the விசர்காக்கு preceding தான.
Preceding, why should you consider preceding? It's not the preceding, always the following.
தாவரஹலயும் ஸ்கர் லெட்டர் இல்லையே.
Visarga is followed by sakara, which is the shar letter.
Okay.
Shar letter is followed by takara,
Followed by
which is a kar letter.
Kar letter.
Visarga is followed by shar. Is it followed by shar or not?
Yeah, that is correct. Yeah, shar is correct. That is kar letter.
You're thinking about the preceding?
Yeah.
Preceding. What is the preceding letter?
Preceding letter is kakara and shakara.
No, preceding letter is akara.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, preceding letter is okay.
And you don't have to see which letter precedes.
I didn't see a kar letter.
When a kar letter follows, you don't have to see what letter precedes.
Okay.
That we have already seen. When a kar letter follows, we don't have to bother what precedes Visarga.
Yeah. Okay.
Only when a ach or hush, or other words, simply hush follows Visarga, then only you have to look for the preceding letter. Otherwise, not required. If a kar letter follows, then you come to the rules pertaining to the kar letters.
Okay.
Whether it is replacement by Visarga, or replacement by Sakara, or Visarga is replaced by Jivamulya or Upadmanya, or whatever changes undergoes. So when the following letter is kar, then you don't have to bother about what precedes Visarga. This you need to remember.
Yeah, okay.
And the rule number 9 is telling this rule is exception to replacement of Visarga by Jivamulya. You can remember with an exception. Visarga followed by kakara or kakara. What did we say? Visarga is replaced by the Ardha Visarga, which takes a sound Jivamulya. So rule number 10 is an exception to it. So when Visarga is followed by kar letter, which in turn followed by shar letter, Visarga must be pronounced. Okay. You can connect that to the general rule, which comes later, I think. Yes. Rule number 12C. Visarga. Here I have to change. Visarga will take the sound of Jivamulya I have written. Take the sound means it is replaced by Ardha Visarga. The Ardha Visarga sound is Jivamulya. Okay. So I will slightly modify it later and then send you this chart. Any doubt in the Sandhi? This Sandhi is what we saw in the last class. Yes?
No, sir. No, sir.
Example.
Sorry? The voice is not clear.
So future reference is helpful.
It's not clear. I don't know what you want to say.
B and C, like your some example, like Ramaha Padati. You are written like that example here. B
example is
B
given. For everyone, each and rule example is given. Vriksha Stavaraha, one example, and Rishayaka Kshina Kalmashaha, and 2 more examples are given here. Those are the examples. Okay, we'll move on. Did you try this homework?
Yes.
Okay. Up to which one we did?
40.
40. I think what happened here, I don't know. 40.
Yes.
So from 41 we can do. So please type your name in the chat box. Have you typed your name in the chat box?
Typing, Shanti.
Typing.
No, but some names, it seems. Ramaji, you can type the name publicly. The private leaders come. So
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. I didn't notice that.
that's why I got confused whether.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Ganesh, your name is first, so you can read.
So 42, Sharanji?
From 41.
51. Janan plus Labdva. So Nakara followed by Lakara. And it is a Latva Sandhi, Torli. So here Tavarga is followed by Lakara.
Yeah.
Therefore it becomes Jalal Labdva. Janal Labdva.
Janal Labdva. That is Lakara. Then Labdva. No other Sandhi applies here. Nakara is a Nakara followed by Akara. Okay. So Janal Labdva.
Nakara is Anunasika, so it becomes La.
Replaced by the Anunasika component of Lakara. Next one. Next person. Krishnanji. The mic is on mute, I think. No, not mute. Yeah. Krishnanji, can you hear? I think it's got audio problem. Srimati.
Yeah. The next one is Sam plus Kya. So here you can apply Parasavarna Sandhi. So you get Sankhya.
Becomes Sankhya.
Sankhya.
Parasavarna Sandhi. What does it say?
When Anuswara will be replaced by Savarna of the following Yai letter.
Following Yai letter. No other rules apply, preceding rules. Therefore, directly we come to this. Anuswara is replaced by the Parasavarna Sandhi. Next one. Kameshwariji. Okay, next person, Ramaji.
Yeah. Evam, no. Evam plus Kritva.
That the Hetukam. That plus Hetukam.
That plus Hetukam. Okay. That plus Hetukam. First, just the Sandhi. So it remains that plus Hetukam.
Yeah.
And then Purva Savarna Sandhi. Tad plus Dhetukam. Hakara becomes Dhakara.
Hakara becomes Dhakara. Condition is?
Condition is
when Akara is preceded by J letter.
Yeah, J letter.
Important. J letter. Then Akara is replaced by
the fourth letter of the class.
The fourth letter of the preceding letters class. Class of the preceding letter.
Preceding letter. Yeah.
Next one, Lataji. 44. Lataji, your mic may be in mute.
Oh, sorry, Sharanji. Evam plus Krutva. Evam Padanta Makara becomes an Anuswara. That is followed by Anuswara followed by Kar letter that is replaced with fifth letter of the class, which is Evam Kruta. It's optional. You can have Evam Kruta or Evam Kruta.
Anuswara will be replaced by the Parasavarna.
Parasavarna of the
And
Akara.
Anuswara happens to be a Padanta. So Padantasya, this rule is optional. Therefore, it can be Evam Krutva. Both are okay. Next one, next person, Ankavechi.
Gacchad Punaha is the Hakara is preceded by J letter.
Can you increase the volume?
Gacchad is the sorry, Sharanji.
The volume. Okay, 1 minute.
Oh, I have some throat problem, Sharanji. Okay. I Gacchad Punaha. Gacchad the Dakara is followed the Hakara is preceded by J
First
letter.
you have to apply Jashtva Sandhi.
Apply the Jashtva Sandhi. So Gajjat Punaha. Then the Ha is the soft because the Mahaprana letter will come. Gajjat Dunaha. Gajjat Dunaha.
This is optional. So therefore,
either it's a Gajjat Dunaha or Gajjat Unaha.
The same previous one also, Tad Hetukam also, here also, the same thing. Tad plus
Hetukam.
Tad plus Tad Hetukam or Tad Hetukam. Okay. Next one. Next person. Again, I think Ganeshi.
Veenam plus Vadayati. So it is Anunasika Sandhi because Yar is followed by Anunasika. And Va, I think, is a Yar letter. It's not a class consonant, but I think Yar is all consonants except Ha.
First you have to apply Veenam plus Vadayati plus Anuswara Sandhi. Veenam must be replaced by.
Right, okay.
If this Anuswara, it has not changed to Anuswara, then you cannot say Anuswara followed by A letter, you cannot say. Because Anuswara itself is not there. Then
Right.
How can you apply? Therefore,
So,
that is why the order is important. Anuswara Sandhi, if you see the list, it comes first. 8323, the number I'm saying. So Anuswara Sandhi first. So Padanta Makara becomes Anuswara. Now you can apply Parasavana Sandhi, or whatever may be. Parasavana Sandhi, right? Anuswara followed by A letter.
Now it's Anuswara followed by A letter.
Now we can apply first Anunasika and then Anuswara Sandhi. So what is the form now?
So Veenan Vadayati.
Veena, Veenan, Nakara?
So Anuswara will be replaced by Savarna of the following Yai.
Yeah. So it will be replaced
Here,
by
Va will be replaced by Va.
Anunasika component of Vakara.
Anunasika component of Va. So it's Veenam Vadayati.
Or Veenam Vadayati.
Veenam Vadayati.
Padanta Anuswara. Therefore, it can remain as it is. Okay. So this here you have to note. Anuswara is born first and then Anuswara replaced by Parasavarna. If Anuswara is not, itself is not there, then we cannot apply. That is why the order you need to remember, practice.
Right.
Next person. Krishnanji, can you hear me now? No. I think you have got audio problem. I had to check your audio. So I move on to the next person. Sumatiji.
Yeah. Lalat plus Lalantika. So first you have to apply Jashwat Sandhi because it's Padanta Jal.
Good.
So you'll get Lalat plus Lalantika.
Lalantika.
Then Tavarka is followed by Lakara. So we apply Latva Sandhi, Torli. So it becomes Lalal, Lalal, so many las, Sharanji, Lalal Lantika.
Lalantika.
Lalal Lalantika.
Yes. Good name. The name of a child, Lalantika. Huh?
5 L's come together.
What is it?
No, I say 5 L come together, 5 L. 5 number is coming together.
Yeah,
5 L.
5 lakaras, yes.
Yeah, 5 lakara is coming together.
Next person, Kameshwari. Okay, next person, Ramaji.
Yeah, Mahad plus Hasyam.
Can you all hear me clearly?
Yes, yes, Sharan.
Yes, sure.
From the beginning?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mahad plus Hasyam. First, Jashtva Sandhi. So, Mahad plus Hasyam. Then after that, Hakara preceded by Jai letter. So, Mahad plus Dhasyam, Mahad Dhasyam. Purva Savarna Sandhi.
Yes. Mahad Hasyam. Optionally, you can retain.
Mahad Hasyam.
Mahad Hasyam. Okay. Next one, Ramkagaji.
Dukkham Tyaja. It's a makara, is a Tyaja, so it's a monoswara, anuswara santi. Dukkham Tyaja. Then we can apply the rule on Parasavarna Sandhi, Dukkham Tyaja.
Tyaja. So, Dukkan Tyaja.
Dukkan Tyaja, then Dukkan Tyaja.
Anuswara can remain optionally. Because Padanta, Anuswara. Lataji, sorry, I missed it. Lataji. Next person.
Next one is Samrat plus Haridram. Samrat, applying the Jashtva Sandhi, it becomes Samrad Haridram. And then Hakara preceded by Jai. Hakara will be replaced optionally by the fourth letter of the class. So it
Dakara.
is the Dakara will be replaced by the Hakara will be replaced by the Dakara then. Samrad Haridram, or it could be optional, Samrad Haridram.
Yes. Samrad. Next 10 are there. We will do it in the next class. So now, I'll teach you 2 more rules now. After that, we can do some exercise from Gita. So now, 2 more rules. We start with an example. Tat plus Shivaha. Tat plus Shivaha. Tat plus Shivaha. What Sandhi? Anybody? Tat plus Shivaha.
Jashtva first.
First Jashtva. So
First Jashtva, yeah.
Becomes Tad plus. Then?
Again, Chatva.
After this,
Then we apply the
no, Chatva not. Chatva comes later. What you did you say Chatva or Chatva?
Chatva.
First, Dakara is in contact with Shakara.
Yeah, Shutva Sandhi.
Shutva Sandhi.
Shutva will happen. Tat plus Shivaha will become Taj plus Shivaha. Right? You can see the order. First is Jashtva Sandhi, Padanta Jal replaced by Jash letter. So Tat becomes Tad. And Tad, now Dakara is in contact with the Shakara. Dakara is Tavarga letter. Shakara. So Tavarga letter will be replaced by its corresponding Chavarga letter, which is Jakara. So Taj plus Shivaha, right? After this, what happens? So Taj plus Shivaha has come. Then after this, Jakara is there, followed by
Jakara followed by Jal letter, Jash letter.
Jash letter. Is it Jakara followed by Shakara? Shakara is not a Jash letter.
Oh, sorry, Shanti.
Shakara is you can call it as a Kar letter or a Shar letter. You can call it as a Shar or Shar. Okay, but so what's on the next one is Jakara, which is a Jal letter, followed by Shakara. Yes, followed by Kar letter. You can call it a Kar letter. So what rule will apply? Chartavidi. Chakara, Jal followed by Kar. So Jakara will be replaced by Shar. So you get touch, right? Jakara is replaced by its Shar letter. Touch plus Shivaha. Clear? Is it clear? Takara is replaced by.
Yes, Sharanji.
You may ask, why do you apply directly here? Tat plus Shivaha is there. So we can directly apply Shtutva in the beginning itself. No. You have to follow the sequence. You can jump 2 steps and come here. No, you cannot jump. First you have to apply Jashtva Sandhi and then apply this Shtutva and then come to the form Tat Shivaha. In books you may not find the steps. They will give jump steps and give. It may not harm now, but if you want to derive some other form, optional form or other forms, there you may not get the required form. That is why follow the sequence. Jashtva, then Shtutva or Shtutva, then we apply Chartva. So therefore now after this, what is the rule? Any other rules are there? No. Touch Shivaha becomes, after this touch plus Shivaha is touch Shivaha. This is what we are seeing, right? Touch Shivaha. Touch Shivaha. Right? This is a form. After that, no other rules are there. You can check the table. The table is, we have come to Chartavidi. After Chartavidi, what rules are there? No other rules. Then check the table. You have the table with you. Please check. What rule comes after Chartva? Go here. Sharing the table. Can you see the table?
Yeah, yes, sure.
So Chartavidi rule number 27. And after that, Parastavarna and Latva, Purustarna, that's all. So no other rules apply here. So the form is Tat Shivaha only. Okay. So now there is a rule. Tat Shivaha is one form. We have got another form also by another rule. What is that? We'll see. Touch plus Shivaha. From here, I'm taking form. One form is touch. Shivaha is one form. You can note this form. That is one, form number 1. Second one is the second form. That is by the rule which comes later, after Chartavidi. We are not going back, okay? We are following the same sequence. After Chartavidi, this rule comes. That is, this Shakara. Shakara, okay, let me ask you. Shakara preceded by which letter? Shakara preceded by?
Kar letter.
Preceded by Kar letter. Okay. Shakara preceded by, is it a J letter? Can we say it's a J also?
Yeah, you can say J.
You can.
What J is that?
Java letter, the third letter.
Four. No, 4.
4 3,
So 3,
2,
2.
1. All the class consonants except the fifth letter. Except the fifth letter. Right? J letter. What J is that? It's a Padanta J. It's a Padanta J. The J is a Padanta J. Right? Tad is a Padam. So Chakara is a Padanta J. Chakara is a Padanta J. And now Shakara is followed by, preceded by J, followed by
Shar.
Followed by.
Sharanji.
Yes.
I got a question. How will distinguish this Padam and not a Padam?
You know Tad is a Padam. So that only we have started.
No, not in this case. Some cases we are coming confusion.
Padam not easy. You have to know Shabdas. Only you know Shabda, when you're familiar with the language, you'll know what Padam is, which is Padam, which is not Padam. So Shabda knowledge is important. Okay. So preceded by this Shakara, preceded by Chakara, which is a J letter, and Shakara is followed by
Ash letter or Ash letter?
Followed by E. In this case, it is E.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
E is one of the letter in the Pratyahara Introducing new Pratyahara. What is What is
A, E, U, In is a simple vowel, consonant vowel, and the fifth letter semi vowel plus Ha.
All the vowels plus Ha plus semi vowels plus fifth letter of the class consonants. These are the letter. Ayivun, Ruluk, Evum, Ayouch, Hayavarat, Lund, Yamang, and there we have to stop. So Shakara, when preceded by J and followed by so the condition you see, Shakara preceded by J letter, followed by then Shakara is optionally replaced by Chakara. Optionally replaced by Chakara. Sorry. This is a Chakara. Chakara. This is called Chattva Vidhi. Shakara, when preceded by J, followed by Shakara is replaced by Chakara. So Shakara replaced by Chakara, and it is She is there, therefore Chi, Chivaha. So the form is Tat Chivaha. This is the form. So you have got two forms. Applying this Chattva Vidhi, you get Tat Chivaha. Not applying, stopping before that, you get Tat Shivaha. So two forms are there. So the rule is Shakara preceded by J and followed by Shakara is replaced by Chakara. This is the Chattva Vidhi. I can type and show you this. I'm just writing this words. Okay. Shakara, when preceded by J letter and followed by So you need to know the Pratyahara. Shakara, when preceded by J and followed by will be replaced optionally. This is optional. Will be replaced optionally by Chakara. This is 0. And I'm writing the rule also. Panini Sutra, I'm writing. Shashcho. T is Shashcho T. In the Sutra, you will find Shashcho T. Okay. But here, what is okay, this also Sandhi is, we can do the Sandhi Vicheda, it's interesting. This comes after Chartva, therefore this 8-4. You can guess the number. Where the J letter comes, we saw the J in one Sandhi.
8-4-62.
10-4.
Huh?
8-4-62.
Purva Savarna Sandhi.
Purva Savarna.
Purva Savarna, there we saw J. So therefore, the same J must come here also. Therefore, it must be after that.
63.
8-4-63. Yes, this is 8-4-63. It comes after. So now we have to go to the table and insert this rule after that vidhi. You can after Purva Savarna, 8-4-62 is it. So I'm updating the table now. This is Chatva Sandhi. This is rule number 32. 32 is Chatva Sandhi. Shakara when preceded by J, followed by then Shakara is replaced by Chakara. It's called Chatva. It is named after the Adesha. Adesha being Chakara, therefore we can call it as Chatva Sandhi. I'll give some examples, more examples. So this is Chatva Sandhi. And this sutra, I'm just writing the sutra, not important now. Shashchoti. Shashchoti. Now, let us split the sutra itself, applying the Sandhi rules. You can do. Shashchoti is there. You can split the sutra, applying the Sandhi rules, whatever we know. Let us try. Now, Shashchoti, let us take this Shashchoti itself. Can you split this Shashchoti?
Shashchaha plus Ati.
Good guess. Okay.
Shaha, chaha, ati.
Okay. First you say Shashchaha. I take that. Plus Ati. Right?
Ati.
Yes. One point, one information here. Here Ati is there. Ati is what? At. Right? Ati is at. What is at? At is a pratyahara.
It's a pratyahara, yeah.
Starting from ayun, rulak, eom, I out, haya, varat. Only at is then the sutra. But I said Remember? I said So even though in the sutra it is, the rule it is at, but we have to consider We have to consider lakara as well as the fifth letter of the class consonant. That we have to consider. That is why changed it to At is changed to Okay. Even though in the sutra as such you will find at, but you have to consider it as This is one point. That is why in the description I wrote it as not as at. Why it is? Because Vatikakara says. The Vatikakara says should have been at. Sorry, the at should have been Therefore, I am taking it as is a larger one. At is a subset of Okay, so includes the lakara as well as the fifth letter of the class consonants. Okay, so it's a larger one. Then Shashchaha. Here also you can split.
Yeah.
That is Shaha plus Shaha plus Chaha. Shaha plus Chaha. Shashchaha. Shaha is a Visarga. Visarga is replaced by then Sakara. Sakara will be replaced by
Shakara. Shutva
Sandhi. So you get Shashchoti. That's a rule. Where is Jai is there? Jai comes from the previous sutra as Anuvritti. You have to take Jai from the previous sutra. Anyway, that is about the sutra. But you understand the rule. The rule is Shakara will be replaced by Chakara, then preceded by Jai and followed by Chakara. But here they say it is Padanta Jai. They say it is Padanta Jai. That also you can add. It is not added before. Now I'm saying Padanta Jai. It is a Padanta Jai. It means Shakara is the beginning of the Uttara Padam, following word. So Shakara when preceded by Jai letter, and Jai letter is the Padanta at the end of the Padam, and the Shakara is followed by then Shakara is replaced by Chakara. This Sandhi is called Chatva Sandhi. I'll give more examples. You can understand. This is one example. Tat plus Shivaha. Then Vak plus Shete. What's in the Vak plus Shete?
Vag Shete.
First, Jashtva, Vag.
First apply
Jashtva.
Vag plus good. Vag plus Shete. After that, Dakara and Shakara. Then after that, what happens? Any other rule? Can you apply Shtutva? No. Then Chartva Vidhi possible? Chartva or
yes, Chartva is.
Yes, because it is Jal followed by Kar. So back to the same Vag plus Shete. After that, any other rule? No. After Chartva Vidhi, you have to come to this rule only. Vak is Kakara. Kakara is Jai letter. Padanta Jai. And after Shakara, the following letter is, what is the letter follows? A. A is So therefore, we can apply this rule optionally. Not applying this rule. If you don't apply this rule, you get Vak Shete. Vak Shete. Applying this rule, you get Vak, then Shakara is replaced by
Chete.
Chakara.
Vak Shete. You get Vak Shete. Okay. Understand? Example?
Yes, sure.
Yes, sir.
I'll give some few examples. Tat plus. Okay, I'll call the name. You can, from the chat box, you can answer. First person. Ramaji.
Shlokam. First, Jashtva Sandhi, Tad plus Shlokam.
Okay.
Then Dakara followed by Shakara. Then Chutva Sandhi happens. Then Taj plus Shlokam. Then Chatva Sandhi happens. Jal letter followed by Char letter. So it is Touch plus Shlokam. And then Chatra Sandhi happens. Shakara is preceded by Jai letter and then followed by
Followed by?
Sorry. So Shakara is followed by Lakara. So Lakara is letter, correct?
Very good. It's an letter only. Don't have any doubt.
Okay.
If I say at, if it was at, then Lakara is not included, right?
Correct.
However, it stops there. If Lakara is not included, if I say it has at, that is why we extend that at to Saying we include Lakara. So Lakara is letter. Therefore, you can
Then
replace.
It happens. So
That is why Vartikakara added. Vartikakara said, no, you have to say, you have to replace at by You have to extend at by Include that the lakara as well as the fifth letter of the class consonants. Now it is so therefore no problem.
Yeah. So it is touch plus shlokam.
Touch shlokam. This is wrong. Okay. So you will find this Chatpavidhi applied in general. In the text, you will find Chatpavidhi, even though it is optional, but you will find it's applied. So you have to split. Okay. Then the next person, Ganesh ji. Tat plus Sheila.
Tat plus Shilaha. So first you apply Jastva Sandhi. So it becomes Tad Shilaha. Then you need to apply Shchutva Sandhi. And therefore, Dakara will become Chakara. Taj becomes Taj Shilaha. And then Chartva Sandhi needs to be applied.
Yes. And Jal followed by Kar.
Jal followed by Kar letter. And therefore, Jakara will be replaced by Chakara.
Yes.
Chakara, isn't it?
Yeah, Chakara. Yes.
So here, Shakara is preceded by Jai letter, which is Chakara, and followed by E, which is a and therefore will be replaced optionally by Chakara. So it's Tachilaha. Chilaha.
Yes. Next person, Krishna ji.
Can you hear? Yeah, Sharanji?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Okay. Tat plus Shamshruna.
Mashruna.
Shamshruna. Oh,
Not Sham, Shma.
Shma, okay. Shmashruna.
Yes. Shmashu is a mustache.
So first, Jasva Sandhi will apply. So Takara will become Dakara. Following that, Shakara is a Chartvam will apply. So Shrutvam
will apply.
So Dakara Adesha would be Jakara. So Taj, it becomes Taj. And then the Shakara is a Kar letter. So Karicha will happen. So it becomes Touch. Jakara will be replaced by Chakara.
Chakara is a Jal letter followed by the Kar letter Shakara. Okay.
Shakara, yeah. And then now Touch is a Jai letter, and Shakara is now followed by Makara, which is an So we'll have two forms. So Touch Shmashruna or Touch Shmashruna.
Touch. There is a Touch Mashruna. Chakara. Shakara is replaced Chakara. Or Touch Shmashruna. Both forms here. Next person. Smriti.
Sat plus Shravanam. First Jashtva. So you get Sat plus Shravanam. Then you get Shutva Sandhi, which is Saj plus Shravanam. And then it will be, since it's followed by Kar letter, you get Chatva Sandhi, which is Sach plus
Chartva Sandhi.
Chatva Sandhi. Yeah. Chatva Sandhi.
Not Chatva. Chartva. Char. It is Chartva.
Chartva.
Yeah.
Chatva Sandhi, you get Sat plus Shravanam. And since it is, yeah, and you can also get this one. When Shakara is preceded by Padanta Jai and followed by Ham. So you get Chatva Sandhi, which is Sat Shravanam. Sat Shravanam.
Sat Shravanam.
Shravanam.
Now, you see here in this form, here, even here also you can take it. Here itself you can. Takara is there. Now it's in contact with
Shakara.
So why don't you apply Shitva there? Why don't you apply Shitva and change the Sakara to Shakara? Right?
Yes. I know Shravanji. Okay. Because Shravanam is Shah, you have Repa.
It is the same thing previous also we did. Oh, here I think I wrote it wrongly. I think.
It is, yeah, it will be such.
I wrote it wrongly, Chakara. It's a mistake. It's on my side. That's why I got
No, that's okay. That's okay.
Okay. So I should have typed here Chakara instead I typed Takara. That's a confusion. So it is such always it will be like this. Okay. Otherwise it's a problem. That's this is my typo. Typo has created confusion. Such Shravan.
I thought I missed some other Sandhi which I was thinking about it.
No, you didn't listen to it. Sat Shravanam or Sat Shravanam. Okay. Everything is done by before Shritva, it will remove that. So again, Shritva cannot come. That is why I was confused. But it's because of my typo. So it is Sat Shravanam or Sat Shravanam. Okay. You understand this example?
Yes.
Okay, I can give one more example, the same. And the same, Lataji, you can do. Okay, one more example you can. Right. That everywhere the same form will be there. This beginning with the word Shakara. Okay. Tat plus Sharanam. Lataji.
Tat plus Sharanam. First, just for Vidhi happens. So that's Tad plus Sharanam. And Dakara will be now that what is that? Chatva Vidhi happens.
Chutva Sandhi.
Chutva Sandhi happens. So it's Taj plus Sharanam. And then Chutva Sandhi, Chutva Vidhi, Taj plus Sharanam.
Okay.
So one form is Tat Sharanam, and then applying this rule, Padanta Jai followed by letter, you get Sakara is replaced by Chakara, Tat Sharanam, Chatva Vidhi.
Yes. So these are the examples. Any doubt in this?
No, Sharanji.
No, Sharanji.
So this is included now. Chatva Vidhi, you can see in the table. It is the rule number 32, Chatva Vidhi. So Chatva Vidhi is added. Okay. One more rule is there. Okay, but we can see that rule. But one by one is enough. Otherwise, too many rules. If time is there, I will do. So let us do this splitting of the verse of the Gita. So you need to do abhyasa, a lot of practice. Then only this sequence of rules, the rules will be able to remember. Okay. So now then, let us do this. Gita, Ram Kaveji. You can start. Ram Kavyaji, are you there?
Yeah, I am here, Sharanji. Which verse we have?
Which verse we have to do?
We have finished
21.
21.
21. So now 22, right? Okay.
No, 21.
21 we have to start?
Yeah.
Okay. So 21. Yadyada acharati shreshtaha. Ram Kavyaji.
यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तदेवेतरो जनः तयत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते यद्यद् आचरति. We can split it like that, Sharanji.
Yeah, what's on the yat plus yat?
Acharati, so savarna dirgha chan.
Huh? So yat plus yat. Yadyada.
Yadyata ayavasanti.
No, yadyata. Yat plus yat. Yadyada charati is okay.
Yadyada charati.
That's on the yat. That yat plus yat. That you can split.
Right? Yeah. Yad plus yad.
So yat plus yat will become. What's on the is that? Yat plus yat.
Okay. Yad is
I'm typing here, you can see. Yat plus yat. Yat plus acharati. Right?
Yes.
Yat plus yat. Yat is padam. Yat acharati. Yat yada acharati. Okay. Yada. Is it?
Yadyada plus yadyad.
Okay. Yada is that.
Yadyad plus acharati, no, Sharanji?
No. This verse it was yadyada acharati.
Yadyada charati.
Yadyada charati shreshtaha. Yat yada charati shreshtaha. So yat plus yada. What's on the? Yat is a padam. Padanta takara. So apply just vidhi. So you get yad.
Okay.
Yad plus yada. Yadyada.
Yadyada.
Yadyada plus acharati. Can apply savanadhirgha.
Yeah, savanadhirgha.
That's correct.
Okay.
Okay. So
Actually, yad தான் நினைக்கிறேன் ஷரண்ஜி. yad அப்புறம் தத்னு வருது.
Let me check.
I have a question on that, Sharanji.
Yat, maybe.
Yat.
Yes. Yeah. It is yat acharati shreshtaha. So therefore.
So yad தானே அந்த இடத்துல வரணும்.
Yeah. Yat.
Yad. Okay.
No, you see, you can do it yada also. Yada also is allowed. I mean, permitted. That
Because
it gives a possibility. It gives a possibility there. So, okay. So, yad. So, here takara is there. So, takara is padanta takara. Therefore, becomes dakara. So, now yad acharati. Yat acharati. But splitting two forms are possible. Yat plus yada plus acharati or yat plus acharati. Both are there. Depending on the context, we have to understand. In the shloka, yat acharati, tat itaraha janaha acharati. Therefore, yat we can take. Right? But yat plus yada is also correct only. As sandhi.
Yeah.
As splitting the sandhi, it is correct. In the shloka, it is different. Okay. Okay. Going back to the shloka.
Shreshtaha tad we can split. Here shretas, that is the sakara will become a visarga.
By the rule?
The visarga rule is a followed by shreshtaha.
Shreshtaha plus
tat. Shreshtaha plus tat. So the visarga followed by the kar letter. The visarga followed by takara or thakara. The visarga will replace by takara.
Visarga followed by kar letter. That's correct only. In the kar letter, when we say we don't include ka, kha, pa, pha, because it is replaced by other visarga. We don't include that 4 letters.
Okay. Sure.
Other than this 4, kar letter follows. Visarga is replaced by sakara only. Okay, so therefore, shreshtas tat.
Shreshtas. So then tad plus tad. Then eva.
Tat plus tat. How does it become tat tat?
So tat we can say, or tad plus tad.
Tat plus tat. Do the sandhi.
Tad it will come.
Tat will become tad. First you apply Jashtva Vidhi.
Jashtva Sandhi. Then we can apply Chatva Sandhi.
Chatva Sandhi.
Tad we can it come, right, Sharanji? Tad. Dakara.
Dakara. Followed by
Takara.
Okay, what letter Takara is?
Kar letter.
Kar letter, yes. Jal followed by Kar. Therefore?
Jal followed by Kar. So you can apply the Chatva Sandhi.
Chatva Sandhi, yes, Chatva Vidhi.
Yeah, Chatva Vidhi. So,
I heard it as a Chatva. What is Chatva?
No, Sharanji, I said Chatva. Chatva Vidhi. So Tat.
So now you can apply. Now you can apply Tadan. This Jashtva Vidhi. So Tad.
Yeah.
Tad. Okay.
Tattadi then eva. Tattadi eva.
Yes.
A plus A will become.
Tat plus eva. Then.
Taddeva. Taro. Taddeva Taro is the same word, Charanji. That's what I split it like that.
Taro is a tree. Can we take tree here? Why tree comes in third chapter?
No, Sharanji, I said Deva Taro is the same letter.
Tattad plus eva. This is simple melanam, right?
Yeah, Taddeva.
Okay, let me do it. So simple melanam, Tattadeva. And the form we have is Tattadeva, Devetaro, right?
Then Itaraha. Deva Itaraha.
Itaraha, yes.
Deva Itaraha is split. So
Deva plus Itaraha. Itaro, okay. I'm writing Itaro. Itaraha means other.
Here is Gunasandhi.
Tattad Gunasandhi, plus he becomes.
Yeah. So it's a Gunasandhi.
Then Itaro plus Janaha. What sandhi is that?
Here is a Repa. Itaro. Repa will become the Visarga. Itaraha plus Janaha. Janaha. Itaraha plus Janaha. Janaha is a Ash letter.
So therefore
it will become a Yakara and it will Lopa.
No.
Visarga followed by a hash letter, so it will become U. Then again it will be, the Gunasandhi will be happen is the Itaro.
Visarga preceded by A and followed by hash.
Followed by hash letter. So the Visarga will replaced by U, Ukara. Then the Gunasandhi will be happened is the Itaro.
Itaro Jana. Okay. Next
then
time.
Sayat Pramanam Kurute. Yat Pramanam. I split it like that.
There is no word sir.
Saha Yat Pramanam.
Visarga of Sakara.
Visarga is a Visarga followed by Yakara. So it will Lopaha.
It will become Lopaha. What rule?
The Visarga followed by Ash letter. So the Visarga will become a Yakara and the Yakara will become Lopaha.
No, that is not the rule.
Oh, sorry.
check the rule in the Visarga Sandhi table. Anybody? What rule is that?
Visarga in Yeshaha.
Saha will be dropped.
Dropped. Visarga of.
Yeah, Sharan. Yeshaha Ratha plus Visarga is all letters. It will, the Yakara will Lopaha. Visarga will Lopaha.
Rule number 17. Visarga in Yeshaha and Saha is dropped when followed by any letter except A.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes. Sorry, Sharanji.
Saha, therefore Visarga is dropped.
Yeah.
Rule number 17. Saha, then Yet Pramanam.
Yet Pramanam.
That also, it is Yet plus Pramanam will become Yed plus Pramanam, and Yed will become again Yet.
Yet.
Just a Sandhi and Chatva Sandhi will apply.
Chatva Sandhi will apply. So it Yet Pramanam. Kurutte.
Kurutte nothing either.
Yeah. Then Lokas, the same thing. Lokas,
Lokas.
Lokaha, tad anuvartate. The same thing, Shreshtas tadyevadare. The Lokaha, the Visarga will replace by Sakara.
Visarga is replaced by Sakara when it is followed by Khar letter.
Tad plus anuvartate, tadanuvartate.
Yes, Tata plus Anuvartate, Jashta Sandhi,
and then Chatva Sandhi is Tadanuvartate.
Jashta Sandhi only, that's all. Tata plus Anuvartate only Jashta. After that, Chatta will not happen. Following letter is not a Kar letter. How can happen?
Okay.
Tata plus Anuvartate, Tad Anuvartate.
Is Melanam, Sharanji?
Just only Melanam, that's all.
Melanam, okay.
Now, Ramaji, next step I can do.
Okay. Na me partasti kartavyam trishu lokeshu kinchana. First line. So, na plus me, then plus partha plus asti. There it is Savarna Dirgha. Partha plus asti. Then kartavyam plus trishu. There. Kartavyam
Padanta Makara is there.
Anuswara Sandhi.
Yes.
Then Lokeshu.
Padanta Makara becomes Anuswara, right?
Yeah.
Kartavyam Trishu. And Anuswara followed by?
Trishu. Oh, Kar letter.
Anuswara followed by?
Kar letter.
A letter.
A letter.
Okay.
Apply that rule. That's why I'm saying A. It's a Kar only. It's not a, it's a Kar, but still it is a A.
A letter.
So therefore, Kartavyam Trishu. Anuswara can be replaced by? Nakara.
Okay. Kartavyam Trishu.
Yes. Kartavyam Trishu or Kartavyam Trishu. Both possibilities are there. Because Padanta Anuswara replaced by the Parasavarna is optional. Therefore, Kartavyam Trishu or Kartavyam Trishu.
Okay.
Then
Lokeshu. Then Kinchana. There Kim plus Chana.
Yes.
So Kim again Anuswara Sandhi. Padanta Makara has become Anuswara.
Yes.
And Anuswara is followed by a letter Cha. Sakara. So it is Kinchana. The Parasavarna replaces Anuswara. Yeah.
Kinchana is an avyaya. Kim plus Chana. Chana pratyaya, if you add, you get an avyaya. Can be added to any forms of Kim Shabda. All the genders. Kim ke kani. In Napumsakalinga, when you decline it. Kim plus Chana, Kim Chana. K plus Chana, K Chana. Kani plus Chana, Kani Chana. To all the vibhaktis, you can add a Chana pratyaya, you get avyaya. Pulling also. Kaha kau ke. Kaha plus Chana, Kaschana. Kau plus Chana, Kauchana. K plus Chana, K Chana. Kam plus Chana, that is Dvitiya vibhakti, Ekavachana. Kaha kau ke, Kam. Kam plus Chana. Kam plus Chana become?
Kanchana.
Kanchana. Kamschana, then Kanchana. So you can add to all the vibhakti. Kasmin plus Chana. That we have to see. That is the next rule. We are going to see. Tasmin, that is Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Tasmin. Padanta Nakara plus Chana. That something happens. That rule we will see. We will see in the next class. Okay, continue.
Yeah. Then second line, Nanavaptam Aptavyam Varta Evacha Karmani. Here, na plus Anavaptam, Savarna Sandhi, and then Anavaptam plus Avaptavyam, just Melanam.
Yes.
Then Varte plus Eva. Here it is Apavada to Ayadi Sandhi.
Very good.
Yakara Lopaha Bhavati.
Varte, what Varte? What is Varte?
Varte.
What Purusha, what Vachana? Oh. You said Varte, I mean, you understand, I hope you understand it's a Lakara. It's a Kriya Pada. Right? So Varte is Purusha.
Vartate Atmanepadi. Varte is Uttama Purusha Ekavachana?
Yes. Vartate, Vartete, Vartante, Vartase, Vartete, Vartadve, Varte. Agam Varte. Agam Varte. I exist. I continue to be. So Varte, ye, that Yakara, Lopa have been, therefore Varta ye. After that, you cannot do Sandhi.
Yeah.
You cannot become A plus ye. Vartai, you cannot apply Vriddhi, Sandhi. Okay.
Yeah.
So Yakara is there. It is invisible. Okay.
So it is Varte.
In Avaptavyam is the Anuswara Sandhi is also.
Yeah, that also you can say, yes.
Yeah, Anuswara.
Badanta Makara becomes Anuswara. Anuswara can be replaced by the Parastavarna. Avaptavyam Varta. You can say. Yes.
Yeah.
That's all the Sandhi is.
Yeah. Then Sha plus Karmani.
Yes. Ganesh, next loka.
Name Parthasti Kartavyam Trishu
Yedi Yaham Navartayam. That is 23.
Sorry. Yadi Hyaham Navarteyam Jatu Karmanya Tandritaha Mama Vartmanu Vartante Manushah Partha Sarvashaha.
Yes.
So
Yadi is Yadi, Avyayam.
Yadi is Avyayam.
Nothing will happen. Okay. Then?
He plus Aham.
Yes.
Will become Yaham. So it is Yan Sandhi.
Good.
Then Karmani plus Atandritaha.
You can say one more. Yaham plus Na. Padanta Makara becomes Anuswara. Anuswara replaced by Parastvarna optionally. Aham plus Na. You can say that also.
Aham plus Na. Right. Okay.
Agam is Makara is there. Padanta Makara. Because it is followed by the consonant Nakara. The next word is Nakara. Na is there. So Padanta Makara becomes Anuswara. Anuswara Sandhi.
Anuswara Sandhi happens.
Anuswara followed by A letter.
A.
Therefore, Anuswara becomes Parastavarna. Yahan Na. Anuswara can be replaced by Nakara also. Optional. Same for Varteyam.
Varte plus 1.
No, Varteyam is only one. Varta plus Yadi Agam Na Varte. Okay. What is Varteyam?
Varteyam.
Tingalakara?
Varteyam.
Varteyam, yes.
Uttama Purusha.
Uttama Purusha Bahuvachanam.
Yadi Aham Na Varteyam. So it's a Kriyapadam.
Ekavachana.
Yeah, it's a single padam. So not Varta plus Yam and all. Varteyam. Yadi Aham Na Varteyam. Okay. Yadi Aham Na Varteyam.
Varte.
Okay.
Jatu is one word. Then Karmani plus Atandritaha, Karmanya Tandritaha. So that becomes a Yan Sandhi.
Yan Sandhi, good.
Then, Mama Vartma. That also is No sandhi there.
Vartma plus
anuvartante is savarna dirgha. Vartmanu vartante.
Yes.
Then Manishyaha Partha.
Yes.
So Upapadmaniyam we can apply here.
Yes, Visarga followed by Pakara. Therefore, Ardha Visarga and Ardha Visarga is Upadmaniya. Manishyaaf Partha.
Manishyaaf Partha.
Then?
Sarvashaha.
Parthaha, is it not Parthaha?
No, I think it's Partha. It's Sambodhana.
Good. Sambodhana.
Yes, so it's Partha.
Hey Partha. Sarvashaha. Good. Next one. Vishnanji.
Utside yurime loka na kuryam karma chedaham. Utside yuhu. Utside yuhu plus ime. So repa is the adesha, so it becomes utside yurime.
Yes, utside yuhu is bhave yuhu, ling lakara. Pratama purusha, bhaguvachana. Bhaved bhavetam bhave yuhu. So utside, tam utside yuhu, ling lakara, pratama purusha, bhaguvachana. Ime lokaha utside yuhu. They will get perished. Okay.
Lokaha, the visarga becomes lopaha because the purva varna is dirgha akara and the following letter is hash letter. So
visarga will become
lopaha.
Yakara and then lopaha.
Yeah, yakara and then lopaha.
Yes.
And then kuryam, there the mo anuswara sandhi.
Yes.
So anuswara comes in. Karma chedaham. So is it chet plus aham?
Yes, yes. Chet plus aham.
Okay, then chet. Then
aham karma na kuryam chet. If I don't do the karma, then ime lokaha utside yuhu. That is what Viruddha Anvaya.
Oh.
Kuryatam kuryuhu. So kuryam is again uttama purusha ekavachana. Kuryava kuryama. Agam na kuryam chet. If I don't do imaha lokaha, ime lokaha utside yuhu. Chet plus agam is correct. Chet plus agam becomes just a sandhi. Ched plus agam, then chedagam.
Melanam.
Is kuryam plus karma hai? Padanta makara kuryam karma hai?
Yes, yes.
Karma, kuryam karma.
Kuryam karma, I can say. Padanta makara, which become anuswara. Anuswara followed by the yai letter. Therefore, parasavana can be applied optionally. So two forms will be there. Kuryam karma, that is one. Or kuryam karma. Yes.
Right.
And agam is at the end of the sentence. So it remains as it is. Only when a consonant follows, padanta bakara becomes anuswara. If it is followed by the vowel, or if it is followed by avasana, makara remains as it is. That is also a rule. Okay, that also can say. Aham makara remains as it is. Why it does not become anuswara? Right?
Because it's the end of the sentence.
Sentence, yes. And the rule says the padanta makara will become anuswara only when followed by the consonant. So if it is followed by the vowel, it will not. What about if it is at the end, avasana? Nothing follows. Nothing follows also is follows, okay? Nothing follows. Nothing also is an entity only. The shunya is also something, is there? Nothing follows, it follows. Therefore, makara remains as it is. That also considered very specific. That is why it says when a consonant follows. So consonant can follow, a letter can follow, or no letter can follow. Avasana also is important. Everything is very specific to the dot is given. Only when consonant follows, specifically it says. Suppose if avasana is not that, then you have to specify. When followed by a consonant or when followed by avasana, then Anuswara will happen. You should have specified. He didn't specify that. Therefore, when followed by the vowel or followed by avasana, Nakara remains as it is. Doesn't undergo any change. Okay. This may be a small point, but to note this, why it is so specific. The sutra and the rules are. Okay.
Right. Second line, Sankarasya cha karta.
Sankarasya also you can do. Sankarasya.
Oh, some plus some.
Yes.
Some plus karasya.
Yes.
So makara followed by ka varga. So it
makara,
some is a padam.
Yes.
Some is a pada. So
Yes.
So mo anuswara should happen first.
Yes.
And then anuswara followed by ka varga. So the ka varga fifth letter will be the adesha.
Yes.
So it becomes sankarasya. Ja kartas. So syam.
Yes.
Then upahanyam. Imaha prajaha. So
yes.
Syam plus upahanyam. That's just melanam.
Yes.
Upahanyam. Then imaha. That's also melanam. Then imaha plus imaha. Then prajaha. So visarga is followed by pakara. So it stays as it is, or ardha visarga.
Yes. Syam and upahanyam is ling lakara. Ling lakara, syam and upahanyam. Ling lakara, uttama purusha, ekavachanam. Syam is syat, asdhatu. Asti chagasanti, laklakara we have. Similarly, syat, syatam, sivu. We will see. Later it comes. So ling lakara, uttama purusha, ekavachana, rupa is syam. Okay, next person, Sumati ji. Next shloka.
Yeah. Saktaha karmanya vidvanso yatha kurvanti bharata. So the first one is saktaha. There the visarga is retained, or because it's followed by kakara, so it can also get the sound of chikva mulya.
Okay.
Then next one is karmanya vidvanso yatha can be split as karmani plus avidvamsaha plus
Good.
yatha.
Yes.
Karmani plus avidvamsaha can be, that is yan sandhi, and avidvamsaha plus yatha is visarga followed by ash, so it will get ukara and guna will happen.
Followed by ash, preceded by a.
Preceded by akara.
Okay.
Then yatha kurvanti bharata. Second line is, it's a
Second
big
line,
thing.
we have to do. Second line, the new rule is there. That's what I said. We're going to see that in the next class. Kuryad vidwan. Kuryad vidwan. Tata saktaha chikeshu lokasangam. Second line, we'll start. Kuryad vidwan. That we can stop here. So kuryad vidwan. That vidwan, that nakara becomes sakara. And also that you can see anuswara also is there. How does it happen? That we will see. We'll stop here.
But first Dashva will happen, no, Sharanji? Kuryad.
Yes, that Kuryad Dashva happen. That much you can say. But later, other rules come. So we stop here. That we can see. We can see in the next class. So you please go through all the rules. Do as many, as much abhyasa as possible. Be familiar with the rules, the sequence of application of the rules. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada Sharanji.
Dhanyavada Sharanji.
One common question.
Dhanyavada.
In Vishnu Sahasranamam, I could see lot of our Sandhi rules is applying, right? We can do. But in Lalita Sahasranama, it's very rare. Is there any other rules are applied over the Sharanji?
Lalita Sahasranama, it is not that much because it is all a samasa.
Oh,
It's sometimes the half of the 1/4 of the shloka is one word. That's how it is. It's all in Srilinga. So
yeah, all in Srilinga, I could see that.
Sometimes
not only the Upadmaniyam and Jihva Mulyam only could say one or two places. But otherwise, in Vishnu Sahasranama, we could see a lot of Sandhi rules what we learned, right?
Yes.
So in Lalita Sahasranama, everything is samasa.
It's a compound. Either a quarter of the shloka may be a compound, or the first line of the shloka itself is a whole one word. It's a big compound.
Okay.
That is how it is. So now you don't find much rule there.
Okay. Okay, sure.
Sandhi will apply it there, yeah. But maybe within a samasa it is applied. That you can see. Within a samasa, within a samasa maybe some guna sandhi or vriddhi sandhi.
We can apply.
Simple sandhi. Some only this guna sandhi, vriddhi sandhi will apply. Maybe the gesture sandhi, something like that. But no visarga, nothing there.
Nothing there. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you, Sharanji.
Dhanyawad. Thank you.